Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. We're in Monticello, New York. We're going to check out the Catskill Mountains Resorts World. Parking at Resorts World is free and very easy. We're going to be staying in a comp room today. I'm going to be showing you that. I'm going to be showing you the pool. This right here is the main hotel, but there is also the Alder too, which is right on property right next door. It's a very short outdoor walk to the pools, casinos, and restaurants. The prices for the Alder tend to be a little bit less. Here's a visual of what the walk would be like. Also in this video today, at the end, I'm going to be taking you down to the casino and showing you some of the games that I played. Resorts World in the Catskills does have table games, unlike the one in Hudson Valley. Hudson Valley is in a shopping mall. This is its own little entity in the middle of the mountains. It's really, really nice. Now we're entering through a side entrance, which is closest to the Alder. This is where you're going to find most of the fine dining. This video was taken in July 2022. It is during the week, it is a Tuesday, and it is super early in the morning. I'm visiting today with my mother and aunt. We were staying at Villa Roma in the Catskills, and they both get comp rooms here. So we're like, hey, why not? It's a really nice place. I'm going to show you the room right now. Now this is just their standard room. They also have corner rooms and suites too. This room is huge for a standard room. It's beautiful, very luxurious. It's one resort I never want to leave the room. I really love it here. I love the little extra benefits at Resorts World too, like the free water in the room. That's really awesome. You get a coffee maker and a fridge as well. Like I said, look at where it is. It's like in the middle of nowhere. It's really great. It's beautiful. It's a little peaceful oasis when you come here. Let's go check out the pool. There is no outdoor pool. Everything is indoors, but there's several pools and they're really, really nice. To get into the pool area, you need to be a registered guest. You need an activated hotel key to get into the elevators, which would bring you up to the pool area. Up here, you'd find two pools, a spa. There's also the gym up here. There's a sun deck. There's a bar, like a lounge. There's a large hot tub, and there's also poolside suites. Look at this. Some even have like private pools or hot tubs. I'm not sure what that is. There's also cabanas by the pool. Like I said, this is super early in the morning. There's nobody else here. Spent a couple hours there. It was such a relaxing VIP experience. Next in this video, I'm going to show you where we chose to have dinner. You could also have breakfast there in the morning. And then I'm going to take you out to the casino. Here's a closer look at the gym facilities that you could access through the pool area. Honestly, no joke here. As far as the rooms go and the pool facilities, I give it a 10 out of 10. I mean, it is awesome. But unfortunately, I can't say the same for the dining. The dining options here kind of stink. There's a bar and a lounge up here by the pool, but it wasn't open. That's the problem, is there are places, but nothing's open, at least during the week. Maybe the weekends, it's a totally different show here. But on the weekdays, there's not much going on. On the same floor as the pool, they also have some table games up here as well. Here's where you can find the entrance to the VIP suites and the elevators as well. Resorts World in Catskills is a very nice escape, though. You know, if you like to hotel hop, you may not enjoy this because everything is just right there. There's no hotel next door. It's not nearly like going to Atlantic City or Vegas, but it's more like, say, you know, Mohegan Sun or Foxwoods in Connecticut, but a much smaller scale. So we're dining tonight at 24/7 Bistro. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They have a Sunday brunch, and it's pretty much like diner food. The steak sandwich and the salad was mine. It was really good. This is a look at their breakfast menu at the same place. There were also quick serve options that were open this day as well. But as I mentioned before, there are restaurants there. They just weren't open when I was there. The nerve of them. Open those restaurants up. I want to check it out. But look, they're smart. Rather than me dining in restaurants, I'm going to go to the casino instead. And lo and behold, they have the firecracker game. This game is everywhere. $9. Sometimes the firecrackers will explode right away, and that's awesome. And other times you have to sit and dump money in until they do. It's just one of those machines you just cannot walk away from because you already put so much money in. You have to wait till the firecracker goes off. And sometimes it's good and you get a great bonus, and sometimes not so much. If you're enjoying this video and finding any of it helpful, can you do me a favor and please subscribe to my channel? That would be awesome, and I would really appreciate it. I mostly play minimum bets, so the payouts aren't as good as it would be had I put more money in. Okay, guys, I finally got the green firecracker.
Extra spins.
I mean, not terrible, but I think I'm done with the firecracker games. There's other games that I enjoy more at Resorts World and other casinos. Let's talk about the atmosphere now. The music is really good at Resorts World. I really love it. It's all flat on one floor. There's no double floors. There's no different casinos like Mohegan Sun and Foxwoods. There's like casinos everywhere. This is all in one designated area. This is my first time playing Riverboat Queen. Nothing tremendously exciting about this game, but I got a couple of good bonuses. I played in this casino many times, and I've lost, you know, many hundreds of dollars, but I've never received any comp rooms here. But my mom and her sister and my cousin do. But I believe it's because they play a little bit heavier, like the bets they make are a little larger. And I would typically go to bed before them, so maybe staying up a little longer. You know, sometimes they'd be out till 2 in the morning. I don't know what the key magic is, but I never received any comp rooms there. But like I said, they have. There is also a sports book at Resorts World. It's not very large, but there is one. Now I'm going to take you to a game I enjoyed a lot. It's called Hot Hit. I had pretty fun. I didn't win on this. I kept winning, but I kept losing. It's a little bit higher of a bet, but it was very fun.
Yeah, is that good? Oh, $30? Yay! I'm here with my mama.
We are viewing one of my hot hit bonus rounds. I left Resorts World with less money going out than I did coming in, but I had a fabulous time. Like I said, the room is perfect. For a standard room, it feels more like a suite. It's oversized. It was very clean. It was beautiful. The pool, wonderful experience I had there. It was fantastic. But most importantly, more than anything, I got to hang out with my beautiful mother and her beautiful sister, my aunt. My sister and my cousin came up for a couple days. We got to visit. It was awesome. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Make sure you plan that trip. Pack your bags and go. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Be good to yourself and be kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in those casinos.